Multiplication of vectors by real numbers. When a vector is multiplied with a positive number, its magnitude changes but direction does not change. When vector A multiplied with a positive number lambda, the magnitude of the resultant vector is changed by the factor lambda, but its direction is same as that of A. For example, if vector A is multiplied by 2, the resultant vector is 2 vector A. This is same direction of vector A and has magnitude twice that of vector A as shown in the figure. When a vector is multiplied with a negative number, its magnitude as well as direction changes. When vector A multiplied by a negative number lambda, the magnitude of the resultant vector is changed by a factor lambda and its direction is opposite to that of vector A. For example, if the vector A is multiplied by minus 1.5, the resultant vector is minus 1.5 vector A is in the opposite direction of A and has a magnitude 1.5 times that of A as shown in the figure. Addition of vectors. First one, triangle method of vector addition. Vector A and vector B are two vectors as shown in the figure. To get its total, shift vector B so that its tail is at the head of vector A. Then the line drawn from the tail of A to the head of B represents the resultant vector R. That is the sum of vector A and vector B. Or shift vector B so that its head is at the tail of A. Then the line drawn from tail of B to head of A represents the resultant vector R, that is the sum of A and B. Since the two vectors and their resultant form three sides of a triangle, this method is known as triangle method of vector addition. Second one, parallelogram method of vector addition. To find the sum of two vectors A and B, bringing their tails to a common origin O as shown in the figure. Then the line drawn from the head of A parallel to B and other line from head of B parallel to A to complete a parallelogram. Then the diagonal drawn from the origin is the resultant vector R. Subtraction of two vectors. Subtraction of two vectors A and B means A is added with minus B. Addition of equal and opposite vectors. When the direction of two equal vectors are opposite, the resultant vector has zero magnitude, which is known as null or zero vector. A zero vector is represented by 0. Vector A minus vector A equals 0 vector. Since the magnitude of a null vector is 0, its direction cannot be specified. For example, when an object comes back to the initial point, displacement is a null vector. When we throw an object upwards, its velocity at the top is null vector. The null vector is also obtained when we multiplied a vector by number 0. The main properties of the null vector are: when we add a vector with null vector, we will get the original vector. When we multiplied a number with null vector, the answer is null vector. When we multiplied a vector with null vector, answer is null vector. Unit vector. A vector of unit magnitude shows particular direction. It is used to specify only the direction. It has no dimension and unit. For example, vector A equals modulus A into A cap, where modulus A is the magnitude of vector A and A cap is the unit vector along the direction of vector A. Unit vector of rectangular coordinate system. Unit vectors along x, y and z axis of the rectangular coordinate system are I cap, j cap and k cap respectively. Since these are unit vectors, modulus I, modulus j and modulus k all are equals 1. These unit vectors are perpendicular to each other.